Hey everyone, Dr. Cliff Morris, Morris Cardiovascular Risk Reduction Center. We are a state-of-the-art cardiology practice, but our main emphasis is to change behavior through evidence-based medicine, fitness, nutrition, and of course, lifestyle medicine. I'm out getting my morning walk in, getting my vitamin D. I want to share with everybody a very special weekend that I had with my grands, Zuri, Iris, and Julius. And I get this question all the time: how can I get more vegetables in? And one of the most effective ways to do that is through smoothies. And I often get this smirky look like smoothies don't taste good, especially with vegetables in them. I want to share something with you. Watch this. All right, this is the smoothie that Iris made right here.
Hi, my name is Iris.
So Iris, why don't you tell everybody about the smoothie that you made, and it's so yummy and delicious.
Well, the secret was to make it better was red raspberry.
Okay, and what else is in there?
Cabbage, blueberry, banana. But if you're out of frozen bananas, then you get some bananas that are not frozen.
Oh my gosh.
You get cabbage.
And spinach.
Spinach. Not cabbage.
Okay.
Pops.
Okay, and now the taste test. This is the taste test for the little one here to see.
Pops.
Okay, let's see what she did. Let's see what happens here.
Oh
my God. So.
Oh, that's too much.
Here we go. Okay.
That's too much.
Well, let's see. All right, here we go.
Drink it.
This is the real taste test. Thumbs up?
Uh-huh.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Yep, the thumbs up. And if young kids are making their own smoothies, they have to be delicious. So consider this an excellent way of getting vegetables in. You can put anything in with them, and get your kids and grandkids involved with making smoothies on a regular basis every weekend. Enjoy your life, get outdoors. Just amazing. Morris Cardiovascular, we are out. Have an amazing day.